Alright guys, good day everyone. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys the concept of graphic design, the beginner's guide, the components of graphic design. So as a graphic designer, you have to ask yourself, as someone that wants to learn graphic design, you have to ask yourself, what is the meaning of graphic design? You understand? So graphic design Graphic design can be defined as the art or skill of combining text and pictures in an advertisement, magazine, or books. Hope you understand the definition. I said graphic design is the art or skill of combining text and pictures in advertisements, magazine, or books. Hope I made myself clear. So now we have two main words that makes up graphic design, which is the graphics and the design. They are the two components that makes up graphics design. So we are going to know the meaning of these two words and how they function in the field of graphics design. So now graphics itself means visual. So and this visual are the components of this visual are the art, imagination, and expression. This involves many medium such as drawing, painting, engraving, lettering, which is the typography aspect, giving clear and explicit details of what you are doing. You understand? These are the components of the visual, that is the graphics part itself. You understand? Involves drawing and painting. You know the drawing now, you know painting. Then lettering is more of typography, that is words, letter, lettering. Then giving clear details of what you are doing. Then another thing we need to know again is the visual element that you understand, the visual element that combines to create graphic design. I told you that graphics means visual. So the element that combines to make graphic design, that is the visual element now that combines to make graphic design, is the line, color. Hope you are getting what I'm saying. Line, color, shape, text, space, form, and typography. Do you understand? So when we go into details, you know the functions of line, color, shape, text, space, form, and typography. These are the things that makes up graphic design, the visual aspect of graphic design. So now we have talked about the graphics, which is the visual. Let's talk about the design, which makes it graphic design. That is the second aspect now. So design, my own definition, design means to decide upon the look and the function of something before it is made. You understand? That is the way we want something to look like. You understand? And this involves thinking, problem solving, and practicality. That is thinking out the design, reasoning out the design. That is, and the problem solving is now the problem there. How can you solve this problem? Like the things involved in creating these graphics, how will you solve it? You understand? And the practicality aspect here means doing it practically. Do you understand? Hope you are getting what I'm saying. So now in graphic design, there are rules that can be considered. In everything in this life has rules and regulation. There are rules that can be considered in graphic design. You understand? And these rules that can be considered in graphic design are called the principles of design. So for you to design accurately, you need to be abide by the rules and regulation. That is the principles of design. So now, the key principles of design are contrast, hierarchy, alignment, balance, proximity, repetition, simplicity, and function. You understand? You just have to know this. These are the basics. You just have to note that. You understand? So when we go in detail, so that we will not get confused. So now we have visual elements and design principles. Now you understand? So now graphic design itself. Let's define graphic design in detail. With all these things we have explained, then you now know that graphic design is the organization and presentation of information developed through creative process for a particular function. Should I come again? Graphic design is the organization and presentation of information developed through a creative process for a particular function. Hope this is clear. Then this one now is saying it is only once we have a solid idea developed through the design process we can use our skill with layout, color, typography, creative tools to bring that idea to life. You understand? So this write up now, for sorry, I just prepared all these notes for me to teach this class very well. This one is trying to tell us that anything you can think of, any design you can think of in this life can be created. As far as you can reason it out, you can create it. You understand? It's not a magic. I'll show you how to. Anything you can think of, you can create it. Where the problem lies is how can you do it? I will show you how you can think of anything and do it. Any logo you can see, any flag, you can create it. You understand? So that is it. Now, graphic design jobs you can get from as a graphic designer. Over the years now, I've been a graphic designer. You understand? And I know how much I've made, even as a student, how it has been sustaining me. So I'll be showing you the works and the job opportunities you can get just because we are a graphic designer. And these jobs are: one, as a graphic designer, you can get work of advertisement, branding, web design, interface design, magazine layout, paper engineering, um, packaging, TV and motion graphics, infographics, signage, art and installation, and digital art. These are the beautiful works you can get as a graphic designer. So today, in this your opportunity to be in this class. In this class now, I'll be teaching you how you are going to know all these aspects and start making money from it. So do well and follow the instruction. Please don't skip any of my classes. Please follow them sequentially so you not get confused along the line. Thanks very much. See you in the next class.